Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how to do shopping in the TEMU application. Now, to do shopping in the TEMU application, firstly you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up the TEMU application and log into your account. After you've completed these steps, this home page of TEMU will appear on your screen. Now you can select the products you want to buy from the home screen of the TEMU application by scrolling down and finding the right product for you, or on the top of your screen you'll see this search bar and then you can type in what you want. Let's say you want a watch, so type in WATCH and click on the option that pops up or hit the search button. After you see the perfect watch for you, go ahead and click on the product. After you click on the product, the product's home page or the product's information page will appear on your screen. Now, if you want to just buy a single product, you can simply click on this buy now option, choose the color and the quantity of products you want, and then click on this buy now option again. Now you'll have to fill in your address details here and then click on this save button, and then you can follow the further criteria to purchase the product. And if you want to buy more products at the same time, simply click on the product again and then click on this add to cart option. Now choose the color again and choose the quantity again and then click on this add to cart button. After you clicked on the add to cart button, as you can see on the right hand of your screen, you'll see this cart option. Go ahead and click on it. As you can see on my screen, I have two products chosen, the black watch and shoes. Now if I want to just buy the shoes, I can untick the watch, and if I want to buy them both at the same time, I'll have to tick them and then click on this checkout option. After I click on the checkout option, I'll be redirected to this address bar. Now on this address bar, I'll have to type in my country like this. Now on this page, you'll have to fill in your address and all these required details. Click on this I agree to receive special events, exclusive discounts and more by SMS option, and then click on this save button. Once you do that, the products you check out from TEMU will be delivered to you. I hope this video helped you to do shopping in TEMU. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.